Let me tell you a little bit about my Canot Yawl 400. The rudder can be raised by pulling the green line and lowered by pulling the white line here. If I ever get time, I will make the trailing edge thinner, as it is a little bit on the thick side. By pulling this green line, I can hoist or lower the sail. With this line, I can stretch the sail backwards. This is the sheet for the mizzen sail. The sail plan of the mizzen sail is about 2 square meters. So let's hoist the main. First I fasten the lines for the sheet. And to get the spree high enough, I notice that it's best to take the line around the spree like this, and it will go higher. The sail plan of the main sail is about 6.5 square meters. The centerboard rotates around this. When the centerboard is lowered, it has a depth of about 60 centimeters, whereas when it's raised, the boat only needs 17 centimeters to pass over. Over here, I can take out any water. The benches here on the back can be raised. If you want to use this area as a sleeping area, with this bench also removable. In strong wind, about 15 meters per second, or about 30 knots, it's still possible to get away with the jib and the mizzen sail. So let's lower the sail. First, I release the sheet for the tack. Then I release a tension line for the spree. And then I untie now it's quite easy to retrieve the sail. lower the sail. It's just to tie this. Place the sail inside the boat. Don't get wet. And take it down. Take down the jib. And lower the... The sail plan of the jib is a little less than 2 square meters. The rudder is attached with, secured with this. Now it's possible to remove the rudder.